Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Wireshark 4.6.3 on Windows operating systems. Okay, first go to Wireshark official website and download. It is wireshark.org. Just click on download now. See here we have the latest current stable release, that is 4.6.3, and older stable release is 4.4.13. Click on this Windows x64 installer. See download started, go to downloads. See here its size is 92.2 megabytes. See download is completed. Now click on this Wireshark 4.6.3 exe file. Click on next. Click on noted for the license agreement. Click on next. Now we have to choose the components. See by default it is selected Wireshark, T-Shark. Okay, optionally we can select any one of these. I am selecting all. It is up to you. Then click on next. If you want to create Wireshark start menu item, you have to select this one. If you want to create desktop icon, select this one. Then click on next. This is the installation location. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the path. Then click on next. If you want to install Npcap, you have to select the checkbox. Optionally you can select USB cap. Next. See installation has been started. This is the output folder. Select the license agreement for the Npcap. Install. We have successfully installed. Click on next. Your computer must be restarted in order to complete the installation of Wireshark 4.6.3. Do you want to restart now? It is up to you. I want to restart manually later. So select the second radio button and click on finish. Now go to all applications. See here we have the Wireshark. Click on it to open. See you got the Wireshark application. Now we can provide the target for the enter a capture filter here. Then you have to select this, start the capture brackets. If you want to verify the version, see here we have the go to help about Wireshark. See we have installed 4.6.3. okay, see here we have different options. You can practice, you can go through the documentation and you can practice. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Wireshark 4.6.3 on Windows operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.